Yes, hello. Yeah. Something happened just of recent, I mean, sometimes last week. A young lady by the name of Cynthia Oguze, she was sleeping in her apartment. She resided in a bungalow apartment, and right beside the apartment is a story building, and there's this newly constructed overhead tank. And the young lady, while she was sleeping in her apartment, the overhead tank got damaged. Yes, I believe it was a poorly done job. That's why the whole thing got damaged like that. And unfortunately, the overhead tank fell on the building, the next building where Cynthia Oguze actually resided. Where in her room where she was sleeping, the overhead tank fell on her and she was crushed to death. It was an unfortunate incident anyway. But again, it is awful. Quite all right, and we believe that the engineer who is responsible for the construction of the job, including the landlord, should be held culpable for what has happened. This is one of the reasons why people who own property should always consult professionals when engaging the services of engineers or any other professional. Because when you look at the whole scenario, you come to realize one thing. One thing is certain. Look at the video. This is the video now. The video is running. Just take a look at the overhead tank. Look at the material. Of course, substandard material. The whole thing is just too substandard. For a metal to just, bend like that, definitely it's not of quality. And again, who are the people you're engaging? This is another thing we need to look at. Probably the owner of the property must have engaged a quack. Of course, a professional would have done a shady job like that. Definitely, the person that was engaged is a quack. But it's unfortunate that we have lost Cynthia Oguze, a young lady who is in her prime, died at the age of 30. It's unfortunate, but what should be the next thing? I think this is where government agencies needs to stand up and do something about this whole scenario. It's unfortunate, just too unfortunate. But for us in Homes and Tenants TV, we will ensure that we find